Welcome guys to a brand new video. In today's video I'm reviewing K-Me Mall. This is a brand new agent that people are starting to use, and here I have a 3 kg haul that took 11 days to arrive. Let's get into it. Starting us off, we have these budget Yeezy Slides. Now these are very popular, the LWB grade batch. You can never go wrong with these. I definitely recommend. Moving on, we got these foam runners, the same batch. Now these are always great, always comfortable. You only have to worry about B grade defects, but I can't really see any, so I definitely recommend getting these. Next up, we have the Salehe Benbury Crocs. Now these are very budget and also feel amazing. They look good. I have no complaints. I definitely recommend. Brand new for the channel, we have these budget chunky dunkies. Now they're not perfect, but it's the best you're going to get for anything that's remotely cheap. These are great. I'm pretty sure they're out of stock now, but if they are, they're very small sizes. But I mean, I would recommend if you can get them. Check out the links. Another brand new for the channel, we have these custom looking Mario dunks. Now these are actually pretty cool. Certain sellers do these custom shoes, and man, these are actually really nice. I definitely recommend if you're willing to get these. They're great art piece too, and yeah. Last but not least, we have these Jjjjound Asics. They do run a little bit small, so I recommend sizing up an entire size, but other than that, they're pretty good for the price. There's not much better you can really get with these, so if you're looking for them, I do recommend, and thanks for watching.